Today in my backyard, I'm bringing you this, not a drink. This is a dessert. Cherry blossom powder, panna cotta, and oolong tea jello. How I get those edible flowers in the middle? Actually, pretty easy. You just have to watch the magic till the end. Theme song. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Start with a small pot. I brew some oolong tea. You can use any tea you like. I just like the fragrance of oolong tea. I think it smells pretty good with the gummies. You see, when the tea boils, we put the gummies in. I like the red-orange color. Make any color you like. Pick any gummy flavor. Gently stir until all the gummies melted. Color is so vibrant. Smell like just gummy tea. Gummy tea. I have so much tea at home, all from China. I brought it. Everything melted. Now we turn off the heat. We let this cool a little bit. So now we pour the oolong tea jello in the glass. You need a good layer of bright color, put flowers in. Cheers. Then let it cool, set in the fridge for at least 30 to 40 minutes. I use fresh lychee today, English called lychee. And you can use any fruit you like in this panna cotta. I just like this flavor. I'm gonna eat one first before I make the dessert. So sweet, like sugar. We take all the seeds out, just use the meat. No, we are get a pot of water. We put a bowl on the top of water to heat all the ingredients here. First, we have some milk. Cheers. Whipping cream. A little bit of sugar. It's 1 package. Gelatin powder, 7 to 8 grams. I don't know why Asian people love these gelatin jelly desserts. I love it too personally. So we love panna cotta. We consider Asian dessert. Maybe it's not. Mix everything together, especially the powder. You can see kind of a lumps right now, but medium heat. In a few minutes, you can see all gonna melt it. Next, I will show you the magic, how we got this panna cotta stick on the top. Mixture with lychee. Plate like this flat. Let it cool on the side to room temperature. Panna cotta doesn't cool down. You're gonna get a little foggy in the glass. Let's set this on the side. Let's check if my oolong tea jello is ready to plant flowers in. Look at that, the oolong tea jello. Here we got some edible flower. The best is the ones with some stem, so you can poke it in. Need some tools. I pick a centerpiece in the middle. This is a big one. Poke in, push it down. Stays upside down. Right there. And the purple lavender on the side here. Plant some greens, like a little tree. That. Look at the colors. You can design your garden. It's like a little terrarium dessert. Panna cotta gonna hang up right here. I will show you how and figure this out. Maybe not. Everyone can figure it out. This magic just need some physics. So how we get the panna cotta on top here? Here's a secret. So you need this. Secret. You need a straw and some. What? We're gonna put this upside down in the panna cotta on the flat plate. Panna cotta. Then we put the straw in first. In here, glass down. You're gonna press this hard. So now is the important part. We are going to suck the straw. Look at this. Suck some air.
I think this is the hard part. Oh, it's sucking the flowers.
So you suck the air out, then you can see how high this panna cotta gonna go, but don't do it too high to cover your flowers. Oh, get some more. See that?
So cool.
So I think this is good height. We pull this out, then don't move the glass.
Now what?
No, we're gonna set this in the fridge so we can cut the glass out.
Oh my god.
So now carefully cut around the glass. Hope this won't fall apart. We're gonna clean up the edges. Let's flip this over. Oh, standing. So now we still need something on the top. Now we're doing the last step outside. So nice outside. Why not eating this dessert in my backyard? Got this cherry blossom powder. You can use any cocoa powder or grind some Oreo, put on top. Anything you like. But I just think the cherry blossom is so pretty and tastes good. Here I'm dusting some sakura powder, the cherry blossom powder, but my Circus can't wait to taste the powder. They look very pretty. You ready to dust? Fairy dust? Make this dessert even more magical. And he tried to stick his tongue. Yeah, right there. I just give them some in their hands and finally they taste this. Ooh, I love the color. Look at that. So pretty. I don't even want to eat this. Should I eat this? Let's try. We have to taste it, right? Actually, it doesn't taste bad. But their reaction is...
Hey! This is so disgusting. It's powder.
Hey, look.
I don't like
Stop
the
it.
powder. I'm gonna put a mountain of powder.
Do not dare touch it, or it's gonna be ruined forever.
I touched it.
And everybody can do it.
We're gonna poke a hole on the top. Look. Let's have a scoop on the top. Oh, look at the texture. So jiggly. Look at that. See the lychee flavor infused with the cream and the milk.
Wait, this is my name in Roblox. Oh, I'm a frog. Who plays the top? Me. No.
So you take a scoop of the panna cotta and the bottom of the jello. Two different texture in here. This is so good. If you like this recipe and want to see more of Asian food, Chinese food, please subscribe. That really helps my channel. Thank you. I have a piece for you too. This one. See you. 再见. Bye. Oh, the bird.